Dan Willis here, and we're talking about credit cards to rebuild credit. And there's 4 types we're going to discuss, but before that, I just want to share with you how and exactly why this will help to build some better credit. The big thing it hits on is your amounts owed, which is 30% of your overall credit score. And the key point here is to have available credit. No matter what type you use, try and show available unused credit, because this makes you look like you're in a much more secure financial position. The other thing it'll help is your payment history. This is 35% of your overall credit score, and the most important thing, this is really your credit reports, and we want to create a trail of positive, on-time, responsible use and payments to help build your credit score. And we'd be neglect to not mention that the bad stuff, the negative items that may be on your credit report, that's what's damaging and dragging down your credit score. We really need to have a two-pronged approach, building credit and also removing the stuff that's dragging it down and weighing it down. So if you'd like a free credit consultation, you can call 1-855-655-9870. Again, that's for a free, no obligation credit consultation. The number is 1-855-655-9870. And the 4 types of credit cards to rebuild credit are: 1, unsecured. This is a traditional credit card where you're extended a card with a line of credit. So for like example, $1,000, it'd be really smart to have available unused credit, maybe a monthly balance of $200 just on a side. These are going to probably charge you a little bit higher interest rates if you aren't working with the perfect credit score. However, these will help to build your credit the best because it's an unsecured line. The second type is a secured credit card. This is going to require you to make a deposit with the bank. So for an example, and they usually have low minimums rather, and usually higher limits too, but you can make a deposit of say $300, and then you'll be extended a major MasterCard or Visa with a credit limit of $300. It's again important to use all these responsibly and make sure that all these types will report to all 3 major credit bureaus every single month. Otherwise, that's not going to do anything to build your credit if the credit bureau doesn't know about it. And there are some, we'll talk here. The third type is a common misconception, but prepaid debit cards, they did way back, I believe they started in 2006, but they initially started with a few of them with some ways you could borrow some money that could be reported. But now, because it's prepaid and because the government got involved, I believe, and passed some new legislation, you can't build credit with them is the point. They aren't a bad option, but you cannot build credit with a prepaid card as of 2014 and here for quite a while now. The last type, 4th, is catalog shopping and merchandise credit cards. These are the black plague. They'll often offer guaranteed approval, and they'll say credit bureau reporting singular. Like, please do not get these. There's like monthly fees. It's not a real credit card. It can only be used at the actual company, which is like an online website or in a catalog, hence the catalog credit card. These, we have yet to hear even a remotely fair story about these credit cards. They really are kind of preying on people. Please be careful. Please read all the fine print. Please know what you're getting into. Maybe check with some people you know, some local banks, whatever the case. Remember though, this whole big picture, to really get a good credit score, we've got to build good credit and remove the bad stuff, because nothing can remain on your credit report forever. So we have to take a two-pronged approach. And again, if you'd like a free, no obligation credit consultation, you can call 1-855-655 9870. Again, that's for a free, no obligation credit consultation, and it's 1-855-655-9870. This is Dan Willis. Please subscribe and join our congregation because we have much, much more we want to share with you. You can also visit a link in the description below to check out an article at our website for some more tips, and we've got a free report available there, the 7 super simple steps to clean credit. Please have a majestic day and looking forward to talking to you again here soon.